one of the ways is I can just send bytes of S, but that's not the only way. I need to do an encoding actually into bytes. Let's check with this if it works. If it does, that's good enough. Well, so what I'll do is I don't need to, for now, I don't need a while one actually. Just let me send it once. Once is fair enough. Correct? Coming to my other code, close this, and once is fair enough. I just need to receive this once and print the data once for now, just now. Okay, so I'll run this. Listening for clients. Okay, let me run this. Okay, enter command. So if you can have a look at the code which is going on in the background and on the server side, it says got a client from this particular address. I'm now going to send on. Oh, so over here it says string argument without an encoding. You cannot do it with just bytes. You need to do it with something else. Basically, you need to encode. You need to say s dot encode. Right. So I need to restart this server for now because it is not accepting. It's not going to accept multiple clients as of now. Right. So I'll run this. Enter command. So it's got it there on. Can you see I got an on out here? Byte on. So now I need to, so I sent it from my client side, which is from my Windows, and I got it on my Raspberry Pi. So there's a Python code for sending it from the client side, and there's a Python code for receiving it from the server side. So we're going to, so this is a complete bang on thing that we need to do. So basically what we need to do is we need to keep accepting things from the user. So we are creating a mini netcat out here. It sends an on, it takes from the user an on and off, and then encodes it and sends it to the server. So now I have to change the code for both the sides because I need to keep sending an on and off, and I need to do something over here when I get an on and off. So coming back to my code out here, I'll close this. All right, I need this while one for now. Cool. I need this while one. I'll don't need this. All these I'll remove. Okay, so I'm not getting an on with a backslash n anymore. I'm just getting an on and off. I'm not getting a backslash n anymore. Right? Else anything else, if I get, I should just break out. Correct? If I get any other command, I should break out clean. Okay, from the while. So I do a con.receive, fine, everything is everything looks good enough. We can check in some time. Right? So I save this and maybe I'll run this out. Cool. So it's listening for clients. Now let me go to my server side. Sorry, client side code, and I'm going to connect. But what I'm going to do is this part of it, I'm going to put it in a loop. Let me say while one. I'm going to take commands from the user constantly, and I'm going to keep sending it to my socket. Right? But I'm going to say also one more thing. I'm going to say if s equal to if it is exit. Okay, if it is exit, you know, if it is exit, I need to break out from this loop too. Right? I need to break out from the while one. Right? So both ways I am ready, and this is indeed yeah, MOT, moment of truth. Let's check. Enter command. So I got a client from, that's my Raspberry Pi showing got a client, and from here I'm going to send an on. Cool. LED switching on, and I can see on my Raspberry Pi next out here in my connect out, my LED is already on out here. Let me send an off. Oh, cool. The LED went off. Again, on, and then off, on, off. Right? And then when I send an exit, it exited clean from both ends. Right? So that makes it, that makes it very clear on how to access stuff and how to access the Raspberry Pi and how to send data over the network and control accordingly the data. Fine. So we are in phase 1 of automation yet, and we've quite learned how to control things over the network, which is quite interesting and quite intriguing. All right, we are going to go into maybe a few depths maybe in this session. Till then, happy learning.